Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an account and installing the official NordVPN app. This ensures you get signed updates and correct servers. Once installed, sign in with your saved credentials and grant required permissions so the app can create a secure network interface. Make sure to enable auto start if you want instant protection on boot. This first setup reduces friction. It also lets you test basic connectivity before changing advanced settings, so you don't chase issues later. You'll now choose a connection method. Use Quick Connect for speed or pick a country when you need location-specific content. Once connected, enable the kill switch to prevent leaks and turn on CyberSec for tracker and ad blocking. This protects you automatically. Then, make sure the protocol is set, Nord links for best speed, OpenVPN for compatibility. Automatic is fine for most users. After changing protocol, reconnect to apply settings and verify your IP and DNS have changed to confirm protection. Finish by testing your connection. Run a speed check and confirm your IP and DNS are masked so traffic routes through NordVPN. If you need specific use, torrenting or bypassing censorship, switch to P2P, double VPN, or obfuscated servers now. Once done, set preferred servers as favorites for quick access. If something goes wrong, restart the app, try a different protocol, or reconnect to another server. This usually fixes handshake problems. If not, contact NordVPN support for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.